Hello guys, good morning. A lot of subscribers ask me about my chart that I'm using, and my chart is visual. It means you should see the candlesticks. You can change the colors. You can use my strategy that I'm using. So in order to get this chart, you should buy my book. Okay, so because in my book my strategy follows this chart. Why? Because it's easy for me to do all the steps that I'm doing in order to make my trades. Okay, so it's visual, so you don't need to go to other things. And for example, if you want to search for sectors and then for industries, for stocks, and you can see the index. Okay, let's give an example. For example, okay, you go here, all these that we see, all these are sectors and industries. It's too much. Okay, let's go, for example, let's say what is it, drugs. This is the drugs is the sector. We go, for example, to biotechnology industry. Okay, you click on it. Now in biotechnology, all these stocks that you see on the left side, all these are stocks that are in this companies that are in this industry. Now for a lot of people who are doing penny stocks, it means stocks below $5, you can check here. Now these are companies that are listed in NASDAQ, in New York Exchange and American Exchange. So it means you can go and you check their fundamentals if you want. It means the financial statements. So these penny stocks here, they are safer than the out of the counter markets. Okay, because here you can see if you go to your broker and you try to see the bid and the ask. It's a true thing that you see, and you can, if you buy or you sell, there is a print of the trade. Okay, so it's easy to see that it is true. But in OTC markets, like over-the-counter markets, which they are not listed, they are very tiny companies that you find almost no information about their fundamentals, and there is a big play there. Okay, for example, you want to just do the penny stocks. Okay, so here, as you can see, it gives you the name of the stock. It gives you, for example, the price, the volume, the change of the day, and the net change. Okay, so let's say I'm going to see a penny stock. Here we can find 5, 3, 2, 7, 4. So you can choose anyone, or you can choose the ones that are with $1, $2, $3. Just we go. Let's see. At any rate, this is, for example, $2. Okay. So the chart here. So the chart you can use daily, or you can use anything that you like. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, hourly. 2 hours, 4 hours in a day, and then 2 days, 3 days, weekly. You see by the quarter, by the year, by the month. Okay, at least you will see this company is it going up or is it going down. For example, yearly. Okay, this company is going down. So let's go to the daily. Okay, now there are thousands of stocks. You can just, when you have time, for example, the weekend when you don't work, you try to find the stocks that you want to trade, okay, according to your strategy. But if you buy my strategy, my book, or my ebook, which is cheaper than the book, you will find the strategy ready made. Just you follow the steps and the rules that I do there. Okay. Now, for example, here 75 cents. You see. Okay. These are. You have the volume also, and you can add whatever you want. If you want to, if you are using indicators, if you are using moving averages, if you For example, add indicator, you see there are tons of indicators if you are using them. For me, I'm not using any indicator at all or moving average at all. I don't use any indicator, okay? There are a lot here. You can see all these are indicators, and if you don't know one of them, you should just Google them, okay? You just Google them and you'll find what are these indicators, because I don't use them in my strategy, okay? Now suppose that you want to have 6 or 10 or 20 or 30 stocks in a watch list. Here, as you can see, okay, you just go and okay, just go and you add new, just an example, new, okay, it's a portfolio, you name it. For example, you write penny stocks, and you okay. Now here, add symbol. You go and you search for example, I want this RQL, okay, no, it's ARQL, okay. You put it in your watch list. For example, I will just give you, and CVM, just an example, CVM, okay, and you add another one, $2, path. These are just examples on how to do, okay. Now see, here you can make a lot of watch list or portfolio if you want. Now when you have them ready here, you click on it and you check daily how do they do. When you find an opportunity to buy them or to sell short, so you just go on this. But this is a very good thing when you have watch list, okay. I always use the watch list 10, 20 or 30 or 40, and I follow them. When they meet my criteria, I will buy them, and if I make a profit, and then I will sell them, okay. Now this is for my chart, and the thing it means you search from here. You don't need to go to other websites. There are hundreds of websites you can go to. You put just stock screener and you will find hundreds of websites that propose this. Now this is what I'm using. Now in order to get this, you should buy my book. This is the only thing. So you help me, I will help you out. Now for the I have another one which I used before I discovered this chart, which is Yahoo Screener. Okay, I'll go to it. Now this is Yahoo Screener. You just put in Google Yahoo Screener. It's screener finance screener.finance.yahoo.com and /stocks.html. Now here you see this. Now they give you the industry. You choose the industry that you want to trade in, any industry that you like, aluminium, apparel, appliance, application, auto dealership, asset management, whatever you want, beverage, biotechnology, broadcasting. Now here, if you want just the price, you can put which price you want this. For example, I want $1 to $5. Only this. I want only this. Okay. Now here the market cap, it means how big is the company. Dividend, it has dividend or no. The volatility, it means if the stock is volatile or no. Sales and profitability, it means you see if this company is making money or not. And you just 1 million, 100 billion, 100 billion. It means if you want big companies or you want just small companies, okay. Just if you know the fundamentals, like price earning ratio, price book ratio, price sales. Now for me, I don't use all the fundamentals. For me, I choose only, before, when I use this screener, I use the price, I use the industry, I can see the sales. That's it. And when you hit find stocks, okay, you will get some depending on what you search, and these are the stocks that you find. You click on them and you find the code, you find the profile, you find the chart, you find everything. Okay, this is auto dealership that you specify. Okay, this is how to search in Yahoo Screener. Okay, you see here it's very difficult. You go there, see, you go there and you put your industry, you fill everything, and then, for example, let's say I go to wholesale, find stocks. Sometimes you don't find companies that are with $1 for wholesale because they are too big, these companies. Okay, sometimes you don't find. Now, if you are searching like accidental and health insurance, let me see, you have here 3. You go another time for let's see other drugstores. You have only 1 here from 9. Let's see. Okay, let's see others. Auto parts, biotechnology. Now biotechnology, you see, you have a lot, because all these biotechnology companies, there are a lot of small companies. That's why the people, they go there to do penny stocks. Okay, so you will find $1, $2, $4, all they are under from $1 to $5. Now you find a lot. Here you can have a code, you can have the profile, the research, the financials. Here next 20, because this you have a lot of companies. That's why you have the list is very long. Now can you compare this with my chart? Okay, here are all the sector, like right now here I'm in biotechnology. This is very hard to work on it. It takes too much time. But for my chart is very simple, because everything you have it in the chart. You should not go to another website to find other information that helps you to trade. And if you buy my book and my strategy, this will help you to have quicker information according to the chart. Here you can change wherever. You can change the color. For example, if you are not comfortable with the green and the red, you can change the color, no problem. You can put lines like for like this. You can change the color for resistance and for example, see when you put the lines like this, it's very clear. Okay, very clear where the stock is going. Where is it heading, south or north? Okay, so this is all for my chart and for Yahoo Screener. So this is the answer for some of my subscribers who always ask me, what is the chart that you're using? What is the can we have another like a stock screener? So I give you just one example of Yahoo. You can go to Google, you can go to other websites, but for me, I used Yahoo before, but when I discovered this chart, I'm using this chart. Okay, so if you have any questions, just ask. If you want something else private, please send me a private message. Thank you very much for watching.